Yeah, A1. Throw it up, man. Put it up, man. Got it, man. This for long life, motherfucker. Long motherfucking life. Long motherfucking life, man. Throw that shit back, y'all. That's what it is, nigga. Thank you, y'all. Appreciate it.
To the top. Y'all motherfuckers gonna move out of my way. To the top. Real ass hustlers, we know how to get paid. To the top. Riding to the wheels, fall off to my grave. To the top. Y'all motherfuckers gonna move out of my way.
To the top, nigga, talking about me. I'm blowing up, throwing up to the highest peak. Hitting every obstacle out the park B. Mountain line, yeah, I tamed them. This a fucking circus to me. I'm playing with G's, that niggas just suckers to me. I'm playing the streets, ludicrous cheese thrown in the air. Who would it be? Me. It's on ease, I'll live it up, G's. I can afford lose G's, going shopping sprees. I can afford take my chick where she wanna be. I'm a real nigga, can't stop this. I'm coming full speed, blasting off the ship, nigga. I'm in my own class, you can't fuck with this. Suitcase in and out of fucking ruthless whip. Money all day, fake niggas don't get. Let my own way, with my fucking own dick.
To the top. Y'all motherfuckers gonna move out of my way. To the top. Real ass hustlers, we know how to get paid. To the top. Riding to the wheels, fall off to my grave. To the top. Y'all motherfuckers gonna move out of my way.
Don't front, you know how we come through. Cloud smoke, yeah, we higher than the sun view. Shorty threw her hands up through the sunroof. Then I smash on the gas like thugs do. Gas mask utensils that I smoke through. Why you laughing? I'm plotting on you dumb fools. I'm a G nigga, can't bench this. I'm going in like a priest doing an exorcist. I won't stop, don't stop, yeah, I won't quit. Riskless when I turn the handle for the chips. Or the 750, showing off the gifts. I got a mean ass swag, top up the list. Beam for the crack, flow you can't mimic. My whole style impossible to fucking gimmick. That's why I rap MAD to the highest limit. That's why G's get stuffed in my paper denim.